We're proud to support Kids Eat Right and the important work of registered dietitians who encourage families to start the day right with a nutritious breakfast.
Hi, I'm registered dietitian Sarah Krieger with Kids Eat Right. A nutritious breakfast is fuel for the whole family. Sometimes breakfast eating gets derailed by the morning rush hour. Take breakfast off the back burner. Here are some tips for solutions to common breakfast dilemmas. Morning too crazy to even think about making breakfast? Well, prep the night before. After dinner, take a few minutes to set the table for tomorrow's super fast breakfast. Put out boxes of high-fiber cereal, whole wheat bagels, peanut butter, fresh fruit, and other non-perishable items. Keep low-fat or fat-free milk and yogurt and 100% fruit juice within easy reach in the fridge. You can even have a bowl, plate, glass, and utensils set out. Are your kids just not interested in breakfast? Convene a planning team. Kids might be more likely to eat breakfast when they help plan it. Sit down together to map out a week's worth of breakfast. It's okay to repeat. Let them pick from nutritious offerings such as high-fiber cereal, whole wheat toast or toaster waffles, low-fat or fat-free milk or yogurt, peanut butter, fruit, or 100% fruit juice. Assign breakfast tasks. Helping to prepare breakfast gives kids ownership of their meal, which encourages them to eat it. Even smaller kids can do simple tasks like setting the table, pouring cereal into bowls, or packing breakfast items like cereal bars and fruit into brown bags to eat later. Be a breakfast role model. Make sure you as a parent eat a nutritious breakfast each morning. Remember, kids are watching and love to imitate you. Breakfast together. Even if it's only weekends, eat breakfast together to enjoy some catch-up time. You may be instilling healthy habits too. Teens that eat with their families are likelier to do things like eat breakfast, eat more fruits and veggies, and drink fewer soft drinks when they get older. Are your kids morning slowpokes? Sound the breakfast bell. Rouse them 15 minutes earlier. That's plenty of time for a quick and nutritious breakfast of cereal with low-fat or fat-free milk, a waffle or fruit, and yogurt with 100% fruit juice. Send a breakfast on the go with them for the car or bus ride to school. Cereal bars or snack mixes made with ready-to-eat cereal, dried fruit, and nuts are great on-the-go options. Is your family bored with the usual breakfast fare? Shake it up with breakfast sundaes. Layer their favorite cereal with low-fat or fat-free yogurt and colorful berries in a glass. Or try a twist on the standard cereal bowl. Simply heat low-fat or fat-free milk in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Pour over their favorite cereal. Muffins made with cereal and fruit are a fun option when time permits. Your kids can help in a variety of ways depending on their age, such as putting muffin papers in the tins, stirring, or adding ingredients. Want to make a fast hot breakfast but don't have time? Make a lightning fast hot meal. Pop servings of whole wheat waffles in the toaster and top with microwave warmed applesauce, just right with a glass of low fat or fat free milk. I'm registered dietitian Sarah Krieger with Kids Eat Right.